let's say in this particular task, I had the idea to convert my entire conceptual theme into a slide deck. So, the task was pretty simple, and I was just able to do it with one skill.md. But let's say I actually make the task a little more complex. Let's say I'm going to say, you know what? Go and research Reddit. Go and look into YouTube. Go and look into anything that you find in the internet. Do an extensive research that you can. Come back to me with results. And then I'm going to tell you what to do for the slide deck. So, in that case, it's actually involving a lot more of tasks than what I initially gave it to be. So, in that case, imagine that there is a main agent that I'm actually telling this task to, and I'm saying, hey, it's your job. Go figure out how exactly will you go and like find these details for me. And then I'm going to come back to execute my main task, which is converting that into a slide deck. So in that case, the main agent understands that it's like a teacher agent that can actually spin up a lot of student agents and then say, each student agent, go do one job for me. So, hey, the first student agent, go research Reddit for me. The second student agent, go actually to YouTube and do this research for the topic that Aishwarya is asking. And the third agent, go use a tool like, let's say, Google search or Brave search and go search the internet for me. Go use Perplexity. Come back to me with this, and then go and then with all the three agents together, the teacher agent or the master agent is actually going to give me the right answer of what I asked for. So that is the sub agent ecosystem, which is each main agent has the ability to delegate the complex task that I, as a user, can define, and then make each of those agents independently work on that task. So, the beauty of this is that no one agent that's running is dependent on the other agent and it's actually like waiting out. All of them are parallelly like working on the task and reporting back to the main agent to say, hey, I've done with my task, and it's your job to kind of compile all of that and then show it to the user who's asking. So, what does a sub agent actually contain? In fact, the biggest beauty is that the sub agents can contain one to many skills as well. So, at the end of the day, the heart of what Claude Code actually performs on is a markdown file. So, the sub agent, each of those agents that actually executes on a task, can actually execute by calling one of the skills or a bunch of skills, depending on what kind of skills that you have set up in your ecosystem. And it also has two other important pieces, which is what kind of tool access can it have? So in my case, when I was just explaining to you, I said, go explore Reddit, go explore the internet. So those are like tools. Basically, you're telling, oh, like go use the Reddit tool, go to the internet and actually search for this and come back with an answer to me.